Hi there. Do you want more opportunities in life? Do you dream about a better job, traveling the world, making new friends, or learning amazing things? Then you need one powerful skill, English. In this video, I'll show you 6 clear reasons why learning English can change your life forever. Let's get started. 1. English can change your financial life. Let's start with something everyone understands: money. If you speak English, you can find better jobs, not just in your country, but anywhere in the world. You can work for international companies. You can work online and get paid in dollars, euros, or other strong currencies. Even if you work from home, English helps you reach clients and companies in other countries. You can be a freelancer, a designer, a developer, a teacher, or sell products and services. The truth is simple. People who speak English earn more. 2. English can help you find love anywhere in the world. Love doesn't speak only one language. Today, people meet online, while traveling, in games, on social media. Maybe your perfect partner lives in another country. But how can you talk if you don't speak the same language? English helps you express your feelings, your dreams, your true self. And it's not just about romantic love. It's also about building real connections. When you speak English, you can meet people from all over the world, and who knows what can happen. 3. English helps you make international friends. There are many people around the world with the same interests as you. Maybe you love the same music, books, games, sports, or movies. If you speak English, you can join global communities. You can make friends from different countries. You can learn from each other. You can grow together. These friendships open your mind. You start to see the world in a new way. You understand that people are different, but also very similar. And that is beautiful. 4. English gives you unlimited knowledge. Do you want to learn new skills? Watch better videos? Read more books? Take great courses? Most of the best content in the world is in English. Yes, some things are translated, but many are not. And when you speak English, you don't need to wait for a translation. You go straight to the source. You can study science, business, technology, art, health, and more, all in English. When you speak English, you can learn anything. 5. English gives you global job and study opportunities. Do you want to study in another country? Work for a big company? Travel the world? English is the first step. Many universities, scholarships, and international programs require English. Many companies ask for English, even if the job is not in an English-speaking country. If you speak English, you have more options. You can choose to stay or go. You are not limited. English gives you freedom to build your future anywhere you want. 6. English gives you confidence. Learning English also helps you feel stronger inside. When you speak English, you feel proud. You feel ready. You can travel without fear. You can learn on your own. You can talk to anyone. Each time you understand something, each time you say something new, your confidence grows. Speaking English makes you believe in yourself. And all of this is possible with just one skill: English. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fluent today. But you need to start. Start with one word, one sentence, one small lesson every day. Step by step, your English will grow. And with it, your life will grow too. So now, I ask you, why do you want to learn English? What do you want to do with English in your life? Write it in the comments. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this. And remember, English is not just about speaking. It's about opening the door to the world. See you next time. And until then, keep learning, keep growing, and believe in your future. You can do this.